First thing, cool kids uses cool synths to build up in 2024. We're gonna utilize semitones and nearby intervals. One sawtooth, second sawtooth, perfect fifth. No, we need distortion. Yeah, OPT, filter, EQ reverb and sidechain. To make that filter, layer it. Take the same pattern, make a Reese bass. Sub, filter. Perfect 50 unison. Never let the rhythm disappear. Not enough riser. Pitch riser. More power to us, get that snare roll going. Automated. And then we build up. And you thought we are going into the drop? No. Bait and switch. It is new techno. We're gonna build up into a bridge. Enjoying the video, please consider like and subscribe. You wanna be a cool kid? You need a cool sound. I'm not the best wavetable that ever created probably. Take that. And a noise? You could use LFO, but this case, we're gonna just make the roll manually. Take envelopes, drive it, get that filter action. We need dimension. This is super clean, this wouldn't work at all. So, enable distortion. Ambience. Get that high pop. Get secondary filter. Final ambience. We are a bit too happy, we gotta make that sad. Minor chords are your friends. And the voicing, those semitones, those are evil and melancholic. Pull it down. Now just make the most simple progression. But sound has to be lo-fi. Get a sawtooth with tons of unison. Bandpass filter with a lot of resonance. Feel your soul traveling into the ethereal technoland. Chorus, reverb, distortion, equalizer and more filter to make it real mid-focus. But we need a cherry on top. Put some ear candies. Oh yeah, here we go. We can go to drop, but we have to pick if we want to rumble or regular bassline. I mean, why not go for both? Grab yourself a kick rumble. If you don't know how to make one, I have a video over here. You need the sub under and the rolling bassline. Tweak with the bassline, keep it simple. Sharp envelope and plucky filter on cutoff. We gotta make it more aggressive, distortion, compression, another filter, and final top notch. Is it enough? No. We want to go more distortion. This allows for making lo-fi bass lines using something like Southern and real amplifier emulations. Oh yeah, now we set up for the drop. Sounds like this, I have a certain preset pack with the top sounds that used by top producers. Check the links below. But if you want to go deeper, learning this type of techno, I have a video over here going super deep. Take a look.